Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm the founder of ChildCloud, and I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to use ChildCloud on your mobile device once you've been invited by the school. So your school would have sent you through an invitation. You're going to click on the blue Activate Your Account button. This will open up a page where you can enter your email address. Very importantly, please use the email address that your school has signed you up with. So basically, the one that you got the invitation from, use that same email address. You're then going to click the reset button. It's now needs to verify me, so I'm going to jump back into my email, and there it is. There's the email, no reply, ChildCloud. I'm going to click on the reset password button. So just enter your password. You can make it whatever you want. Good. Password reset successfully. Let's continue to log in. So now it's going to ask me to enter my email address again, which is fine. This is the one that we had set up previously. And then we're going to click on save. Okay, let's just make sure it matches. There we go. So you've logged into your account. That's my child. I can now turn this into a mobile app. So what's very important is you're going to see at the bottom, you can see the navigation bar, childcloud.com. That means it's not an app yet, it's just a website. So what we want to do is click on the little up arrow at the very bottom, and then we're going to want to scroll up and click on the one that says Add to Home Screen. What's very, very important, you must be doing this in Safari and not Chrome on an iPhone. I'll just call it ChildCloud, click on Add. You'll notice in the bottom right hand corner, it's now added it as a mobile app. If you click on it, you'll notice now that navigation bar at the bottom has disappeared, and it's now a progressive web app. So add it to home screen, it's got a little green tick there. Now the next step I want to do is quickly enable notifications. So when my school sends me a message, I can get a push notification for every message that the school's sending me. And there we go. It's all set up. You can navigate to your children. If you've got multiple siblings in the school, they'll all appear over here. You've got your calendar. You can message the staff, and then the menu button is a list of all the different modules we have on here. I hope this tutorial helps.